Hello and welcome back to another video. I'm Trip. Today I'm at Import Alliance at Nashville Superspeedway. Of course I brought the K24 FRS with me. Today, it's Saturday, I'm in the showcase exhibit, I guess to call it, where it's just, do show call things. Even though it's not really a show call, it's track call. But that's a good thing about track calls, it can be both. But a show call can't be a track call, but a track call can be a show call. Yeah, today is all call show stuff. Drifting's going on, I'll probably go watch some of it. But tomorrow I'm doing HPDE, so I'll take the call on track tomorrow. Hopefully I can give some ride-alongs and stuff. This will be my first track day with E85, so I'm definitely interested to see how much I improve from the last time I was here. Should be quite a bit. Hey, it's Sunday, only got a few hours of sleep, so I'm a little tired this morning, probably gonna be hating life later. But yeah, like I said, today is doing HPD with the K24 FRS. It's supposed to be a kind of small group today. I think they said at most 25 cars. So I'm gonna have plenty of room, plenty of track time, as much as I want, which is good and bad. Good, I get plenty of track time. Bad because we're out tires and consumables and all that stuff. So I probably won't try to stay out too long. Just do a few laps, come in, chill, go back out type of thing. And yeah, should be a good, chill, relaxed day. No pressure. My only goal today is to beat my BP. So hopefully E85 will push me a little bit faster.
This is a lot of our racing.
Okay, I did my first session. It's pretty hot, but it's gonna coolest. This first session is gonna be the coolest. It's gonna be all day. So I tried to get my BP beat then, which I did. I beat my personal best. I did a 1:11 something. I don't remember what it was. I posted it. My previous BP was a 1:12.9, so it was quite a bit, and it was hot, and my tire was super hot, so my tire pressure was. So I'm surprised I even got down that low. But I, went faster. The car went even faster on the straight. So ED5 definitely has been making a difference. It's good. Try to go a little bit faster, but I'm just here to have fun. Not break records. No competition, just ton laps.
I'm gonna let you go chase these guys down and show them actually how you're supposed to drive.
I'll try.
Everybody but that GT3 car, you ain't touching that dude.
Nah. Okay, I'm done for the day. The event's not over, but a lot of people have gone home already because it's just hot. And I'll probably have another session or two I could do, but don't want to put more wear and tear on the tires. You know, I've done what I wanted to do, is beat my BP and kind of test the car out, do some shakedown stuff. Got some figuring things out to do. One of the issues I'm having here is if the car is like 3/4 to half a tank of fuel in it, the fuel stalls on the bank over here. So I think the fuel is sloshing to one side while I'm on the bank on the straightaway at full speed. And the car will bog down, go to alert mode, freak out for a little bit, and I have to reset the car while I'm driving. And once I do that, I can't activate my pedal dance until I come to a complete stop, so it's kind of hassle. It's just annoying. But other than the fuel stopping issues, the car did great, no issues out of all. I got to do a few ride-alongs, have a few people come out of me, kind of have them experience the car and enjoy it. So that's fun. But I'm gonna go home and take a shower. Hope you enjoyed this video and come back for the next one. I'll see you later. Peace.